All right, joining us right now for more on this is retired FBI Special Agent Richard Kolko. Richard, great to see you. So I wonder what stands out to you in these ransom notes. Are there particular phrases or words that, in your view, are kind of identifiable enough to make someone want to reach out and say, that author of that sounds a little familiar to me?
Absolutely, and that's a proven tactic. We've seen that in the past. Those of your viewers that can remember the Unabomber way back when, Ted Kaczynski in the 90s had written his large manifesto. Took a while, but the FBI got the newspaper to print the manifesto, and his brother
Mm-hmm.
identified his writings, called the FBI, and that led to his arrest. So maybe something similar could
Mm-hmm.
happen here. What confuses me a little bit, though, is I think this might be AI enhanced, so that might make it a
Okay,
little more
and that was
complex.
my
But
follow-up.
maybe, maybe investigators can go.
Yeah, I was wondering because I mean that is a tool that people use now. Writing thank you letters. So in a case like this too. So then, how much more difficult does it make it to trace if it was indeed, you created with the help of artificial intelligence?
Well, certainly investigators will reach out to some of the AI makers, developers, and see if they can help track some of this down. I mean, the letter almost sounded kind of friendly for a kidnapper, a little unusual. And frankly, I don't get the second letter, the "I'm sorry, she's dead." That doesn't quite
Yeah.
fit in with what you would think of for a kidnapper. So you can expect the criminologists and the behavioral analysis unit folks to really pour through that and try and come up with some reason that this person may have submitted that second note.
Right. That second, so it revealed kind of compassion in your view, and that would be odd.
That's a great word, compassion, and anybody who's going to go beat on a door and drag a woman out of her house in the middle of the night, not the kind of person that really is going to show compassion. So I'm not real believing of the tone of that letter. I'm a little confused about that. I believe someday we'll have an answer to why that was written or submitted, and obviously the most important thing is it valid?
Mm-hmm. Uh, do you feel like these letters or copies of these letters should have been released sooner? Might it have made any kind of difference in this investigation?
Well, that's we don't see that a lot of times in the media. What's actually going on? There's so much going on in the background in these command posts, in these field offices, in the sheriff's department. The subpoenas just came back. They've got to go through, gas receipts of maybe who bought gas within 100 miles. There's
Mm.
thoughts that that video at the door was 2 different nights, so they've got to do a lot of work on cell phone analysis. All of that work is happening as we speak. We don't see it day to day. Plus, if you just look at the news, as I know you do, we've been flooded with news from so many other areas that this kind of got moved to the back bench a little bit. But Savannah, because of her ability as a news person, was able to bring this back to the first page. I'm fully supportive of anything, any tool she has to bring it back to the headlines and hopefully get that phone tip and get that information into law enforcement.
Oh, absolutely. All right. Well, Richard Kolko, thanks so much for your time. Appreciate it.
Of course, thank you.